Today we uncover why the cube root of 46656 is exactly 36. So no guesswork, just clean math. So let's break it down. So hey math explorers, welcome back to my channel. So 46656 looks intimidating, but it hides a perfect cube. So we will reveal how to spot it using simple method. So 466 5, 6. When we do prime factorization in terms of exponent, we get 2 power 6 times 3 power 6. Now, cube root of 46656 is cube root 2 power 6 times 3 power 6. Now, we can write it as 2 power 6 by 3 times 3 power 6 by 3. So, which is equals to 2 power 2 times 3 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4 and 3 power 2 is 9. So cube root of 46656 is 36. That's how you can calculate any cube root in seconds. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.